Всем привет, здравствуйте. Ну вот и пришло время говорить по-английски. It's time to speak English. It's your time to speak English. Today we are getting back to our car topic. Everything you need to know about the car. Once you're in the United States of America or in any other English-speaking country, you will need to know these words, how to describe your car. And first, in the first video, we are going to overview all the words that we need, that you might need to describe the problems in your car. We hope that you will never run into those problems, but even to wash your car, you will need to talk to someone to describe what you want to be washed exactly. And then, since this is the car and the car needs to be fed on a regular basis, then we'll go to the gas station because any car, they eat gasoline. And those two videos are together, and I hope that you will have lots of fun viewing it again, and there will be even a dialogue with the native speaker, and I hope that you will be able to understand everything. And if you understand, please drop me a note in the comments. I will be more than happy to review all your comments and chat with you, catch up with you. So please enjoy the videos and let me know what you think. Итак, давайте сегодня поговорим о машинах. Слова для машины. Let's start from the outside of the car. And the car from the outside, where do we begin? How do we call this? These are our headlights. What is this? This is our hood. What is this? This is our windshield. Что вот это у нас такое? Вот это у нас что такое? Дворники, да, дворники. Windshield wipers. Это что у нас такое? Колесо. Tire. So let's read. And this, of course, is the bumper. This is our bumper. This is our headlights. This is our hood. And the motor is under the hood. Everything that is running our car is under the hood. Hood. Tire. This is our front tire. Left front tire. Left back tire. Right front tire. Right back tire. What is this? This is a mirror. This is the driver's mirror. Let's go inside the car. Now we are inside of our car. So the main part of our car is the steering wheel. And then we are going into, this is the front seat or the driver's seat. This is the passenger seat. If we go into here, what is this? This is our glove compartment. No one ever stores gloves here anymore, but for some reason it continues to be called glove compartment. Then, if we go in to look over here, this is the sun visor. This is our steering wheel. This is our dashboard. And what else? What is this? We know that this is a mirror, but actually there is a name for it. It's a rear view mirror. It's a rear view mirror. And of course, back seats over there. And that's pretty much it. That's our lesson on the car. That's pretty much it. That's how you will be able to name all the parts, visible parts: visor, steering wheel, dashboard, glove compartment, rear view mirror, passenger seat, driver's seat, back seat. Hi, Kelly. Hey, girl. Hello. Where did you go?
We went on a little walk.
Wonderful. Hi, guys. Bentley and
This is Miss Coral.
Miss Coral and Bentley. And your name, young lady? Sayla. Okay, say hi to all the people who are watching. It's time to speak English. And Kelly, I have a question. We were talking about the vocab, about the car. Do you know why the glove compartment is called a glove compartment? No one stores gloves there anymore. Do you think that why? Do you have any idea?
I think in the olden days, people used to put their driving gloves in there.
Oh, in old days. So the driving gloves were required back then.
Maybe like leather gloves for when they were driving, when automobiles first were invented.
Yeah, 100 years ago.
Right?
Okay, so
Now it should be the tissue box or registration box.
yeah, something like that. Well, thank you, ladies. Thank you very much for helping us with this question because I really didn't know what it's all about. So you were at the channel. It's time to speak English. Thank you so much.
Have a good day.
Thank you. Now let's go to the gas station. Please follow me. Well, everyday life in the United States of America. This morning I decided to go to the gas station. It's not that I decided, it's because I'm running out of gas and my car is going to be with an empty gas tank very soon. That's why I need to go to a gas station. Why this gas station? Почему это газовая станция? Газовая станция. Well, because это не газовая станция, а gasoline. And it's customary became, I don't know, a long time ago that it's been abbreviated and people saying gas station. Заправка, gas station. I need to go and get some gas. Let's go get some gas. And here, здесь наш опять глагол get. I need to buy gas. Все говорят, I need to get gas. And здесь вот именно купить, достать, взять этот газолин несчастный. And we are going to get it, and we are going to the gas station, to a gas station. When we arrive there, I'll give you another tour. I'm out of gas. My gas tank is almost empty, and I have to go to the gas station. Let's go. Why did I need to go to the gas station? Because my fuel range is 83 miles, and it means my gas tank is going to be empty very soon. And as everybody knows, the car doesn't run on empty gas tank. The car doesn't run on empty. 83 miles to go 81. I really need to get some gas. And here I am. I am at the gas station. This is the gas pump. And the pump number is 7. Number 7. If you were to pay inside at that convenience store, you would come to a cashier and say $20 on 7. Here how the gas pump looks in California. You have 87, 89 and 91. 3 бензина в Калифорнии, 87, 89, 91. Дизель в Калифорнии не популярный, его совсем нет. Может быть, 1 или 2 колонки будет продавать вам дизель. And this is the price of the gas. Мы платим, у нас галлонами все тут исчисляется в Калифорнии. В Америке бензин измеряется галлонами. Я заливаю самый дешевый бензин, и стоит он сегодня 4,41. 4,41. Давайте заправляться. Итак, я беру этот пистолет, да. So the gas nozzle. The gas nozzle. This is the nozzle. And идет он ко мне в машину. Итак, дальше я плачу Я плачу здесь, то есть я не иду туда. Я выбрала 87-й, I'm selecting 87th, and we start pumping the gas. The gas is being pumped, to pump gas, заправляться, to get gas, купить, заправиться, купить бензин, gas. This is the gas station. Right now I am at a gas station. and we are going to get gasoline. В Калифорнии самый дорогой бензин, как я уже вам говорила, 4,41. Это станция, это заправка. Здесь немножко подешевле. Заправляемся. Опять, как я сказала, дизель в Америке не популярен. This is the pump. Pump. If we were to go to the store, мы здесь заплатили карточкой. Если мы будем платить в магазине при заправке, convenience store, магазин при заправке называется a convenience store, потому что там продается все, что удобно, все, что нужно в дороге. Я бы пришла и сказала кассиру, please $20 on 7, or whatever, that full tank on pump number 7, or you either identify that you want a full tank, or you're saying that you need that amount of money, то есть или полный бак, или какое-то количество денег. Итак, мы заправились, у меня уже щелкнул пистолет, gun, nozzle, it's a nozzle. И давайте посмотрим, во сколько мне сегодня обошлась моя заправочка. Давайте я вам покажу. Сейчас это у меня вышел так, $60, 80. Давайте посмотрим, сколько же мне стоил сегодня бензин. Итак, в моей машине 13.75 gallons, and I paid for 13.75 gallons $60.80. And since I don't live that far from work, I don't live very far from work, this full tank is going to last for about a couple of weeks. 2 weeks probably. In 2 weeks I will need to get gas again. So that's pretty much how the gas station looks. That is the convenience store, and there you can pump air into your tires. Those are 2 more pumps, and this is the gas station. Let's see. This is the dashboard. And let's see. The rating for the fuel range right now is 391 miles. I'm good to go for another 2 weeks. Thank you so much for being here with me at the gas station. Ну что, теперь вы знаете, как покупать бензин, газ, как покупать бензин на американской заправочной станции. Давайте повторим немножечко. Что мы делаем сначала? Мы подъезжаем. We need to go to a gas station. Then we pull into the gas station and we park our car at the pump. At any pump or at the particular pump. Or we park our car at a pump. Then we turn off the engine and we get out of the car. We decide how we want to pay, whether at the convenience store or at the pump. If we go into the store, then we say, please, I would like to get full tank, pump number so and so, the pump number 7. Or you can simply say 20 on 7. And you see how I pronounce 20. It's not 20 on 7, 60, 50 on 7, 30, or 20 on 7, 25, or full on 7. Then you pump the gas, When you are done, you print the receipt or you go to get your receipt at the convenience store and you're all set to go. Then you are done. And that's how you fuel your car. And in California, we have prices a little bit, not a little bit, we have high gas prices. And that's the price to pay to live in California. Thank you so much for buying gas with me today. See you later. And as always, talk to me, people. I'd love to hear from you. Bye.